In this video, I will show you what happens when you block someone on Instagram. So if you want to know what is happening when you block someone on Instagram, this video is for you. First of all, let's say if you block someone on Instagram, let's say I'll tap on this menu section. If I open my profile like this, so now I'll tap on this followers or following. So I'll just go and open this who the people that I'm following. So if I scroll to down and open this person, if I open this person, as you can see now, I'll tap on this three dot at the top right side. So if I tap on this block section, block, so tap on this block again. So as you can see now, I block this person. So by blocking this person now means this person cannot be able to see everything about me, and I can't be able to see everything about him. So if you block someone on Instagram, that person cannot even be able to search your username on his Instagram account. If you block someone on Instagram and the person come to this search bar, like they come to this search bar and tap on this search, so if the person search for your name, he can't be able to see your name on his Instagram account because you block the person. So if you block someone on Instagram, the person cannot interact with anything about you on Instagram. That's it, guys. Hope this information helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.